So yesterday we had seen a huge rally, but today we have experienced a high amount of volatility in Bank Nifty, guys. So as you can see, the important level which I can see today is 35,796, and I had also marked it in my Telegram group saying that this would be the important level for the day. If Bank Nifty breaks out from this level, then only we can expect a good movement, but it did not and it came down. So tomorrow, if it opens with a gap down, it comes somewhere over here, okay, and then makes a pattern. And again tomorrow, today, the Federal Reserve is going to be declaring their scenario, what is their inflation rates and all. So accordingly, our market can either go down or it can go up. So if it goes down, then this is the level which I wanted to break initially, which is 35,336. Again, I would not be buying the options in the morning because there would be 20 to 30% time decay. I'll be waiting till 10:30, till 12:30, and then I'm expecting a good movement, and then I'll be going heavily for even maybe 4 lots or 5 lots, and then I'll be taking a trade accordingly. But before 12:30, guys, don't buy anything which is in heavy quantity, because you would be experiencing a high amount of option decay. All right, so tomorrow, if the market opens with a gap down, okay, I am expecting it to go down to this point, then you can take up the PE. Okay, 34,903 is a very important support. So if it opens over here, you can expect it to go directly over here and then to consolidate over here somewhere, okay, and then it might go out, it might go down directly. And tomorrow is expiry, so I am expecting Bank Nifty to make a bearish move. All right, so that's the pattern which it can make if it goes down. Now if it goes up, we can expect it to open with a gap down over here and bounce from this point. Okay, this point would be a buy initially, and you can go for a scalping view, okay, and take this as your first target. So I think it should hover around this point, and it'll go up and then down, and I don't think that it will be able to break this point at one go. But once it breaks this point, guys, once it breaks this point like this, okay, and it comes down and takes the support of this trend line, and then takes a retest over here, and then it can rise, and you can see a huge amount of movement upwards in Bank Nifty. But again tomorrow, if it makes a move like this, guys, if it's making a move like this, then I am not expecting a huge amount of premium rise, and it would be rather a put selling scenario rather than a call buying scenario. Okay, so this is my view. It opens with a gap down, provided that it's a negative view, and I'll be informing you in the morning. For that, make sure to join in the Telegram group, which is there in the description down below, where I'll be sharing my morning view and the morning trade which I'll be taking. Okay, so this is the view in Bank Nifty for tomorrow. Coming on to Nifty, guys, Nifty is at a really important range. Okay, it needs to break 15,895, then only you can take up a buy. Downside, if it breaks 15,805, it will support Bank Nifty to go up, and I trade in Bank Nifty, so I am expecting Nifty to break this point and then to go down. All right, coming on to a few shares, guys, and I'm thinking of going for some investments, because I can see Wipro is about to break the all-time high levels of 563. Okay, so once it breaks this level in the morning, we can go for a buy in Wipro, and we can hold it for a swing basis, and your target would be 600 initially. All right, and then coming on to a few more stocks which I have prepared. This is one of the stocks which I really like, but it's gone up really high, as you can see. Mindtree. So this was the breakout point over here. Tomorrow, if it comes down for a retest, say if it's coming down over here, and it takes a retest at this point, which is 2616, and then it goes up, then you can buy Mindtree at 2616, provided there is some positive news in the market. And Infosys, I believe the results were really good, so Infosys can also rise. Let's just check Infosys once. Infi. So these are a few stocks, guys. If Bank Nifty isn't moving that much, if it's a sideways movement, then we would be avoiding the move in Bank Nifty, because the option will be decaying and nothing will happen. All right, Infosys is also at a very important level. As you can see guys, this is the important level in Infosys, 1588 levels. All right, once it crosses this level, then it's a clear buy in Infosys. Okay, and you can expect 600, 620, 640. These are the round numbers which I'm expecting in Infosys also. And a few banking stocks which we can check it, which we will definitely check out is ICICI Bank. Over here you can see a clear breakout. Once again it's coming down for a consolidation, but again guys, tomorrow anything can happen. It's expiry, it can go down drastically, so I would not recommend buying at these levels. Let it come down, let it take a support over here at 654, then only you can go for a buy. Otherwise don't buy it, because this is also at its all-time high. All right, so I hope you liked this video guys. Again I'm saying tomorrow if bank nifty opens with a gap down, okay, first target would be 35,340. Second target, if it breaks this level, the second target would be your trend line. It needs to break the trend line over here. If it takes the support of the trend line, you have to book your profit in the trend line, or you have to trade your stop loss. All right, but upwards, if it goes up, then my view towards bank nifty won't be too high, and I would be taking minimal lot. If it goes down, if my view is very bearish and the reason behind it is expiry, then only I'll be trading with heavy quantity. And by heavy quantity I mean only 100 or 125 quantity at the max. Okay guys, we want to take big points with small lots, not huge lots with not take huge lots and just take 10 or 20 points and get out of the market. All right, because we are here for the long term and that will affect our profitability. All right, so I hope that this video has been helpful. Definitely like the video and share the video if you have liked it, and share it with a friend. And tomorrow I'll meet you in the morning in my telegram channel. Take care, bye.